Okay, today is the 8th of November 2019. Just pulled it in to the garage. Statesman's out the back. It's a 1972 Chevy Luv with the 161 4-cylinder engine in it. 2-wheel drive Australian release. Some sort of custom job in the interior, we never know what happened there. House paint, Navara rear end, which is coming off really quickly. Got the HQ mirrors on it. See, it's pretty original, except for the felty upgrades. Carpet. Old clunk of the doors. Disc brake front end, already done. No mods needed. Gonna need one of those. Doors are alright. Pillars are pretty good. Let's do the clean. Floor's knackered. I'll get around and show you the floor. Again, that Navara arse is off. It's gone. Plastic grille, but we can live with the twin headlight front end. The apron's decent. Been touched here. Put a couple of grandpa lights on it. Just get around, we've got a bit of a bog situation there. I'll cut those out, weld them in, weld plates in. A couple of doors out the front to cut it, out the back to cut in. Another one on the other guard. The door's okay, it's got a blemish there. But overall, it's a good one. I mean, when you get around to it, it's every panel's got to be done. Bonnet included. It's split there. It's got rust under there. It's been repaired. Terribly, might I add. That one looks like a bit of a bog job too. And the floor. Peel the carpet back to have a look, and I think it'll just be the case right through. It's, yeah, if it hasn't gotten too high up there, we should be right. It's looking a bit rough around here. It's wet, like now it's wet. But it's a start, and it's Nay's inheritance, so we're gonna do whatever it costs and takes, I suppose. The old fucking heater. Aftermarket stereo, have to crack up at that and still place tapes. There was a box of tapes in here too from my grandfather. Unfortunately, as luck would have it, he passed away today, this morning at 6 o'clock. So, since having it home for the weekend, we're going to put a battery in it. I've checked the fuels are clean, lines are clean. Took me ages to get the bonnet open, but I got it open. Yeah, I'll post as I go. I'm going to put this on YouTube just for my own fun. I've never really gone this far with a car before. We've built before, but not this much building. Yeah. Oh, just for those at home, this is an Australian delivery. 4 on the tree. Yeah. Progress updates to come. Thanks.